we'll guide you through how to import Notion template from link. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, opening your browser so you have a fresh window ready to use. Once it is open, move to the search bar and type Notion, then wait until the search finishes loading. When the results appear, select the first web option that shows up so you can access Notion. After the site loads, log in or sign into your account using your usual method so you can reach your workspace. When you enter Notion, look at the left bar where your main options are listed. Inside that bar, find the section labeled Marketplace. Once you spot it, open it with a simple left click. Give the page a moment to load because it will bring up several categories for you to look through. After the Marketplace opens fully, go to the Template option so you can browse the available templates. When you reach the template section, scroll or look around until you find one template you want to use. As soon as you see one you like, open it by clicking the template so the full view appears. When the template page opens, locate the Share button on the right side. Click the Share button, and a small menu will show up with different choices. Inside that menu, choose the Copy Link Template option so the link is copied to your clipboard. After you copy the link, open a new tab in your browser. In the new tab, go to the top search bar and paste the link you just copied. Press Enter so the browser loads the link. Once the link opens, the template page will appear in the new tab just like it did inside the Marketplace. When the full template view loads, look for the Add button and select it. This button will let you import the template into your Notion space. After clicking Add, a small menu will appear asking where you want to place the template. From the options shown, choose the workspace where you want the template to be stored. When you select the workspace, the template will be added and placed inside it. At that point, the import process is finished and your chosen template is ready for you to open and use whenever you want.